This was a trade idea I gave back on December 5th on Tesla. Since then, I know in the mastery, we have been trading this lower using the profit recycling strategy. Currently, we're starting to see a little bit of a pullback into the 10-period simple. Notice how that's still holding resistance. Momentum is starting to see some signs of exhaustion, so we might be attempting to find a bottom here. But everything else about this chart pattern is still very bearish outside of momentum. If we do end up breaking the $100 price level, we have several different gaps that could end up filling to the downside: 94.67, 81.87, and then at 75.69. Now, I'm not saying that we'll necessarily fall and fill those gaps, but if you've been following along with this setup, ideally you're at a point where you're trading off profits. So if you did want to throw a lotto trade out there in the next week or two, maybe an out of the money put, you could attempt to look at playing for maybe those gap fills to the downside. We saw a setup early this week and opened a profit recycling trade and locked in worst case scenario a 40-cent profit and have a runner set up. So if we do really start to continue that selling, we might be able to take an additional profit.